Hi friends, welcome back. It's Erin from the Eaton Rapids Area District Library, and today we are going to be making marshmallow castles. And I am super excited for this because I have a giant sweet tooth and I love candy, and I'm surprised there's any marshmallows left in this bag, let's be honest. So, in the craft kits at the library, I gave you guys some toothpicks and some marshmallows because that's really all you need. It's a very simple and fun craft, and really all you're going to do is you're just going to connect them. And you're going to make whatever kind of shape that you want, and you can build as high as you want as long as it stands. I think that's kind of the challenge of this, is to get yours stable. I built one last night. This is my castle. You can see, and mine doesn't stand super well. It's a little wobbly, but it's kind of cool. So yeah, mine's 3 stories high. I'd love to challenge you guys and see if you guys could get them higher. So yeah, let me see your castle in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe our channel and these videos, because next week we are going to be ending our summer reading sessions with magic beans. We're going to make these beans dance, and it's going to be super fun, and I don't want you to miss out on that. But yeah, I hope you're having a great summer so far. I know it's been a little different. And yeah, I miss seeing you guys in the library. So I hope you have a fun day. I hope you have fun building your castle. And yeah, let's see if you can get yours taller than mine. Let's see. I bet you can't. I don't know. Let's see. Have fun. Have a great day. Bye.